Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Analytics 4, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Google Analytics 4 API secret? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your Google Analytics 4 API secret anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that connecting Google Analytics can help track conversions, and sometimes you're required to provide a Google Analytics or API secret. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Analytics account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Analytics account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Google Analytics 4 API secret, first make sure you're working in the correct property up here on the top left. Once you've chosen the correct property that you want the API secret for, here on the left menu, you're going to click on this little gear icon. It looks like it's a settings button. Once you do that, click on admin. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the admin settings here on the left. Make sure you've clicked on admin. Once you've done that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but look in the data collection and modification box, and there's a button here called data streams. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the website information right here. Go ahead and click on that line. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different information about your website, but you want to scroll down until you see this button here, Measurement Protocol API Secrets. Click on that line. It looks like a key logo. Okay, once you do that, you should see the API secret. However, if you see this little blue box right here, you need to click on there and review the terms. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up. So go ahead and review the terms, then click I acknowledge. Okay, now we can go ahead and create a Google Analytics 4 API secret. So click on the blue create button. Okay, now we can go ahead and nickname the secret. Okay, and just give it a name, Facebook group, and then click on create. Okay, next it's going to show you the API secret right here. So you can go ahead and just copy by clicking on these two little paper icons. Okay, now it's copied into your clipboard, so you can go ahead and paste it into the software or service that's requesting that. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Google Analytics 4 API secret, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.